Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Robinhood with tax documents and cost basis detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Robinhood account, first, log into the app or website using your credentials. Ensure your account has cleared any pending transactions. Navigate to the Account tab at the bottom right of the mobile app or the profile icon on the web interface. Select Transfers from the options available on your screen. Tap on Transfer to your bank. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure your linked bank account is verified and set up correctly. If prompted, enter your bank account details again for verification purposes. Review the transaction summary to confirm that everything is accurate. Tap on Submit to process the withdrawal. Next, if you need tax documents, return to the Account tab. Locate the Statements and Histories section. Select Tax Documents to access your tax forms. Download any relevant documents, such as the 1099 DIV and 1099-B. These documents will help you track your gains and losses for tax reporting. To determine your cost basis, refer to the 1099-B form. Find the section listing the sales of your stocks. Your cost basis is typically listed next to each transaction. Ensure this information aligns with your personal records for accuracy. Once you have gathered all necessary documents, consult with a tax professional if needed. This will ensure you're correctly reporting your investment income. After completing these steps, you can monitor your withdrawal status in the same transfer section. Your funds should typically arrive in your bank account within a few business days. If you experience any issues, contact Robinhood support for assistance. Always keep a copy of your tax documents for your records. This will help simplify future tax filings and ensure compliance with IRS regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.